Hello developers, today I wanted to talk to you about Beast Mode. About Styled Components version 5 library, which is also called Beast Mode. If you haven't heard of Styled Components before, they're a library that helps you do styling for React and React Native components by performing CSS in JavaScript. In the last couple of versions, they've been working on improving their performance, and since version 3.1, they've increased their performance by 10x. So what does version 5 deliver? Well, they say a 26% smaller bundle size, a 22% faster client-side mounting, a 26% faster updating of dynamic styles, and a 45% faster server-side rendering, all without any breaking changes to your syntax. You might be asking yourself, how on earth is this achieved? Well, it's all due to their stylesheet engine, which hasn't been touched in years. They say that they've completely rebuilt it from the ground up with a focus on performance and correctness. In terms of React DevTools, the code is a lot cleaner now, mainly because they're hook powered. This means that there's significantly less nesting. Whereas previously you might have had 6 layers deep of nesting for a single component, now you'll only have 1 layer of nesting, which makes it a lot easier if you're inspecting code. Here's an example of version 4 and 5 back to back. On version 4, we can see a styled A tag with a styled component, a context consumer nested inside a context consumer, finally with the A tag we're trying to view. On the right side, we can see the same example, but in this one, we only have the styled A tag nested with the A tag we're trying to view immediately underneath. This is a lot more readable and a lot more easier to find if you're trying to inspect elements. There's also a newer style sheet manager. This is now able to extend CSS parsing with plugins. It also has full RTL support, so this means that your code can be styled from left to right or right to left. Here's an example of RTL support in practice. Here we're importing the Stylist RTL plugin from Stylist Plugins RTL, and we're adding it as a prop inside of the Style Sheet Manager. Styled Components is one of my favorite libraries, whether it's on React or React Native. I definitely think you should have a look at them if you haven't in the past, and consider donating to them through their open collective donations.